Hey, what's up guys? We're back for another video. And today we are finding a place. Introduce yourself. I am with
From Matthews Young.
Okay. Hi guys. I am Kuan. I am I am Tristan Nick.
Oh no,
And we are here finding where to eat. Oh my god, it's so windy guys. Yes, just let my hair like that guys. Hindi ako bubuhi guys. Hindi talaga ako bubuhi. Legit ko. Kahit anong gawin mo, hindi.
Yeah.
So, where are we going guys? Guys, we need map na guys. Kasi ano na. Guys, we need map. We don't know where to. See guys, hindi talaga ako bubuhi guys. Kahit oh, sige, kahit anong gawin mo. Kahit anong gawin mo, hindi ako bahala ka dyan, yun. So ngayon guys, samahan nyo kaming magtuklas sa mga
Magtuklas. Maghanap.
Uy, alam mo lang akong Tagalog.
Magtuklas.
Magtuklas at aalamin natin kung ano nga ba ang misteryo sa likod. Okay. So, bitaw guys, sabi na gini kabalo guys. Asa man need pa guys. Guys, what if masud mi sa Encantadia guys? Nandiy portal diri guys, kanya masud mi sa Encantadia. Naumi kabalo nga Encantadia dito. I don't know. Kaya lagi na to si map. Pero unfortunately guys, wala si map diri guys. So, guys, comment down below guys. Asa map da guys. We have no idea guys. What if anhin na lang sa tunga guys.
Tara na lang.
Yes, anhi. So, anhi we decided
Okay,
guys.
dara.
So, gang mi karon nga. Heyo, namisa ka ng daplin sa... Guys! Asa mo? Uyo, what the fun? So, she's planning guys nga dinhi daw guys, and then what if maabot ang tagya? Anong ginagawa niyo sa sasakyan ko ha? Sinong nagbigay sa inyo ng karapatan? So yeah. Asa man gyud? So guys, while she's thinking guys, because I cannot help her man. Unfortunately, I cannot help her. So, I'll just do the entertainment na lang guys. So, I'll be your entertainer for today. So guys, kabalo ba mo guys nga? Actually, bakit sagit ko ika-entertain ninyo guys? Saan man ako ika-story guys? Ika po, gigutom na siya guys. Ano to? Kahit eh. So, So, gang mi karon guys. We are here. But we cannot find any seat man guys. So, ito. Sheesh. Kumularga ni siya guys. Oh, bye-bye cellphone ni Isha. Okay, so hi guys. What's up? We are back again for another video. And, wait lang, dapat formal na gini.